Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to insert a line or lines to your slides on the Google Slides application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now you should select from this list on your home page from the documents or slides that you have already created. Or you have the possibility to create a new slide by tapping on the plus icon down below in the right corner of the screen. So if you have chosen the one you would like to work with, just simply click on it. And then you should tap on that one slide to which you would like to insert a line. Tap on the Edit Slide button in the middle and then click on that plus icon at the top of the screen. Now scroll down to the Line section and click on it. Here you can select from three options: Basic Line, Elbow Connector or Curved Connector. Tap on the one that you would like to insert. So now you have to customize your line. As you can see, you can make it bigger or smaller or rotate it into any direction. If you are done with it, press the button check mark at the top of the screen in the left side corner. So now you have added this line to your slide. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.